Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add borders around data, using only shortcut keys in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial, as a PDF, by following the link in the video description below. In this video, I will show you how to add a bottom border, all borders, no borders or remove existing borders, outside borders, a thick bottom border, and a double bottom border. To begin, start by using your arrow keys, and move the active cell to the beginning of your data. Next, press and hold the Shift key, and use the arrow keys to highlight your data. To add a bottom border, press and hold the Alt key, and press the H, B, and O keys. To add borders around all of your data, press and hold the Alt key, and press the H, B, and A keys. To remove all borders, press and hold the Alt key, and press the H, B, and N keys. To add outside borders, press and hold the Alt key, and press the H, B, and S keys. To add a thick bottom border, press and hold the Alt key, and press the H, B, and H keys. To add a double bottom border, press and hold the Alt key, and press the H, B, and B keys. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.